I feel like a big reason why a lot of people, us included, go on our phones is sometimes as an excuse when we're watching YouTube is to feel like we're learning something. Oh, we're learning something about productivity or sleep, whatever it is. And we spend that time learning and learning and learning, but I feel like we need to just spend more time taking action instead. This is the sort of mindset I've been implementing for a few years, and it's allowed me to create more than I consume, take action on the things I learn about. And it was all from taking notes on things that I've learned. I've had this notebook for over a year. And what I do is whenever I learn something, whether it was about productivity, sleep, working out, whatever I'd watch on YouTube for some reason, write it down, write what you've learned so it just doesn't go to waste and it's not just another video that you watch without applying anything, learning anything. As soon as you learn something, write it down and figure out, work on how you can take action into applying it in your own life. It's like, imagine you learn a new vocabulary word, like Scytherism, which is the rustling of the leaves in the wind in nature. And I can say, I love the Scytherism outside. It is so peaceful, so tranquil. And that's how you can use it right away. You apply it right away. When you learn a vocabulary word, you try to use it right away. So it sticks with you and you can have an example of how you can do it. Think about it like that with anything else you learn. And I feel like we've already learned all the things that we kind of need for self-improvement and self-help, whatever you want to call it. And after we apply those things, the next things we need to do is learn other things that we actually don't know. That's why I've started reading this book about the lost art of reading nature's signs, which is about like reading the stars and what they mean. You can tell by looking at trees which way the wind has been blowing. You can read the environment based off the birds. You can check the air quality with the sun. Like all of those things you can realize, which isn't something you've learned from an AI self-improvement video, something like that. So that's how I feel like you break the cycle. You start creating things and opportunities in your life instead of always consuming. Now, I'm never saying you never have to watch a YouTube video again. I'm still going to be posting videos, and hopefully it's going to be things like that are more interesting besides just basic self-help advice or things like that. I'm going to be trying to film what I do, share new things that I've been experiencing and learning, just share chill, fun things in this environment. I believe that you learn more by applying and taking action than a YouTube video will ever do. And what I want to do with my videos is share how I've been able to take action and how you can do it too, and what I've learned from taking action. And how you can get so much more out of life instead of doom scrolling away the hours that you could be spending doing other things which can feel more meaningful. So if you want a clear path to follow with step-by-step guidance to stop scrolling, apply in the link in the description. I also have a free community that you can join, filled with action takers. And don't forget about me and this video. Take action, learn something new, and apply it right away. I'll see you later. Goodbye.